Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve part 5th and part 6th of question number 1st. And again you have to check whether these equations are quadratic or not. So first of all solve them and try to make them in this standard form. Then after we'll match whether these are quadratic or not. For that you have to solve this, and for that you have to multiply this with both the terms. So 2x multiplied by x is basically 2x square, because x multiplied by x is x square. And again 2x multiplied by 3 is minus 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, and with 1x. And 1 multiplied by x will give minus x, 1 multiplied by 3 will give plus 3, because minus multiplied minus is plus. Again you have to solve by multiplying this term with both the terms. So x multiplied by x is x square, x multiplied by 1 is minus x, 5 multiplied by x is 5x, and 5 multiplied by 1 is minus 5. Now you can shift all the terms to this side. So 2x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3 will remain as it is on the left hand side, and these all the terms when shifted to this side, so their sign should be changed. So positive will become minus, minus will become positive, positive will become minus, and again negative will become positive, and this all is equals to 0. Now you can solve it. We know that this and this are like terms. First of all solve this. Plus minus is minus, so 2 minus 1 is basically x square, and all the terms which are having x, these are like terms. You can solve them. So minus plus can be cancelled out because these are same, and minus is basically plus. So 6 plus 5 is 11, but the sign must be of the greater one, which is 6 with negative. And now 3 and 5 can be solved, which is 3 plus 5 is 8 equals to 0. So this is our equation, because this matches with perfectly with this. Here the ax square is basically 1x square, bx is 11x, and c is 8 equals to 0. And we know that the maximum power of its variable is 2, so clearly this is a quadratic equation. Now we have to check whether this is also quadratic equation or not. So first of all solve it, or you can say convert this to the simplest form. So a minus b whole square is basically a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square is basically a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this will be x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to, this will be x square, this will be 4, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, so this will be 4x. Now shift all the terms to the left hand side. So this will become x square plus 3x plus 1, this will become minus x square, this will become minus 4, and this will become plus 4x equals to 0. Now these like terms can be solved, plus minus can be cancelled out, and this term x and x can be solved. 3 plus 4 is 7x, and 4 minus 1 is basically 3 equals to 0. Again in this equation, because the power of its variable is not equals to 2, in the standard form the maximum power must be equals to 2. Here it is not, so this is not a quadratic equation, because this does not match with its standard form. Thank you.